This is TJ Monsi doing a workaround on creating a limited virtual arsenal for your next mission that you will curate. So, um, why did I do this? Because the Ares Achilles mod is not working on getting your setup or limited arsenal, and I have friends have that have some problems or are having some problems lately because of the updates made by the Ace and other mods out there. So the workaround that I created is a code that I sort of got online and then edited it myself. So to give you um, how it works, let's get onto it. So let's go to the editor and load up, let's say, Stratus. Why Stratus? Because it's a small island and it's easy to load. So let's say, let's put a player here and a supply. So let's have supply box. Let's have the usual supply NATO here and let's edit it. So in the equipment storage, we want to go to virtual and let's clear it out. Let's say we want to have the M4 A1 and just that, and some rounds in it. Let's say we want to put the 855 556 30 round M855, and let's put in some ACOG black. Let's say we want to put the PH AFP SDF SFDUF SR, and let's say we want some just for the sake, we want to use the classic. I don't know what I'm doing here, but let's just say that we're putting all of this um, as our let's put 3 bags and a helmet. um, yeah, I don't know, but I'm just putting in random stuff here. Okay, let's put in some uh, binoculars there, and a compass. And where's the radio? The radio is in, should be here. It's the yeah, PRC 152, and let's say that's that. um Wanted to keep it that way, and let's play the game. Okay, one more thing I want to add. Let's say medical supply, create Ace Medical Advanced, and I want to edit, no, not this one, it's a basic. This should be the advanced. Okay, and I want to add more items here, like make it say there, or using the right keypad or right button on the keyboard. Let's just increase the bandage and remove the basic elastic. So up to that one, no blood, Let's put it as 80. Okay, and the packing bandage 80 as well, so on and so forth. So let's say we have these two. Now let's play and get those items for saving, for your mission. So let's play it out. Which is taking a bit long to load. Okay, so you go to Zeus mode by pressing Y. That's the default key. If you have changed it, then too bad. You need to know how to access Zeus. And then after that, you'll get to see add remove editable objects using the Ares Achilles mod. So you add that and it will show up on your screen. So now when you double click on it, if you have MCC, you'll see this execute part here, and I will show you where the code is. Code is on my text editor. I'm using Visual Studio Visual Code as of now, and this is the code. I copy it and then paste it here. Remember that when you paste something, I'll paste it here on the execute part. Remember that when you paste something here, it will only execute it once. So you will never be able to do it again later unless someone sort of gave me a heads up on how to re-execute this part. So I press OK and it will say copy. Now what was copied? I'll go back to my editor, I paste it here, and it's a code that has the elements and some other code or SQF, and this is what you need. You copy this one, and let's say you are now in a mission. Let's say you are now in a mission, and you put in your supplies. Let's say no, let's have it basic weapons will show up there, and you click it, double click it, you have your execute box here. Paste that code and it will say pasted. So what happens with the pasted? It becomes also an arsenal, and it has only the M4A1, the uniform, and the carrier, and the bags, which is great. Now let's say let's try it again on another box, because it's still part of our clipboard. That would be okay for us. Let's have a truck, cars, let's say an ammo truck. Okay, so that's an ammo truck. Let's see, it only has an inventory with, and it doesn't have an arsenal. But if we paste the same code that we got, from here, so this is the code itself, and if we paste it on the truck, so I double click it, I paste it here and press OK, it says pasted. I go back and it doesn't work. There you go. At the back there is an arsenal, and where is it? Ta-da! It has M4A1 and all the stuff. Now, last thing, let's go back and a another truck. So it's a NATO cars medical. There we go. It's a medical, and as we can see here, it's just MCC with pullback. There's the inventory, and there's the first aid kit. Now we want to put this box, the inventory of this box, inside that truck. So what we do is, again, let's go back to Zeus mode. Let's copy this script and then go back to the game. Go back to the game. We paste it here. It says copy. It will say copy. Let's go to our text editor, and it will have a different code. This is the inventory before, the new inventory, and this was the one before. You see that you have the kit back here and so on and so forth, but now there's nothing else. So let's just copy this one, go back to the game, and paste it on the truck. It says pasted. Now once I've pasted it, you go to the inventory and you'll see the items inside its inventory. So given that, I've shown you a workaround on how to create your limited arsenal. Thanks guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have questions, you can ping me on YouTube or in the group, or just find me in Steam, TJMONSI. So okay, see you again guys, and hope to see you on my next game.